Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Today we are solving for x in this equation that requires us to use both the knowledge that we have accumulated from laws of exponents and laws of logarithms. Okay, now let's start it. I can just start by dividing these two throughout the equation. So I'll be having log y, the x root of y is equal to 1 over 2. Now, you know from the laws of exponents, there's this law that says a to the power of m, the nth root of that gives you a to the power m over n. So I'm just going to use it right here. So I'll be having log y, then x, then y to the power 1 over x, like that. Log y, then y to the power 1 over x, giving us a half. Okay, so now there's this law of logarithms again that says log, I can say b base a, and when b is to the power, say, I can say n. This gives us n log a b. So I'm going to use it here. So I will have 1 over x log y base y. Then I'm going to use again this law of logarithms that says log a base a is equal to 1. So it's going to be applied here. So I'm going to be getting a 1 there. Okay, so this other side, I just put a half. There's x here. Then I'll say 1 over x is equal to 1 over 2. Therefore, we say now x is equal to 2. We've come to the end of this question. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.